The way that we think about upgrades from tier one banks is, what effect is that actually going to have on order flow? So if Morgan Stanley, what are they going to really do with this note? They're going to send it off to their sales traders. The sales traders are going to get on the phone. They're going to call institutions. They're going to call high net worth clients, and they're going to try and get them to buy this particular name based on this research call. And so how many people are going to buy, and how much extra buy volume, buy supply is going to come into the marketplace because of that? It used to be way bigger when somebody like Morgan Stanley would upgrade a particular stock. But there are patterns that are different today than they used to be in the past, 100%. If I was sitting at my seat and it was 1998, to date myself, one upgrade from a tier one bank would be significant. Today, that game is very different. And so a lot of times it's going to take not just one upgrade from a tier one bank, but two. A lot of times it's not going to just take an upgrade, it's going to take an upgrade from the hammer in the name, the person who's best covering the stock, who has a really great reputation. It's going to take perhaps really compelling logic in the research report that people can easily absorb, or a distinction that's being pointed out that makes the company really different, that this analyst has found that will get people particularly interested. So I wouldn't take, if I saw just in itself Morgan Stanley upgrading a stock, that would not move to the top of my list, just in of itself. I would need much more than that. I would want to see, a technical breakout. I'd want to see maybe some of the other examples that I talked about. I'd want to see maybe multiple people upgrading, and maybe there's earnings in it along with this upgrade. But when I'm looking through briefing on the open, before the open, one tier one upgrade is normally not getting my attention.
If you want to learn 3 real-world setups that our traders use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders, and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, check out the free webinar that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing right now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That's going to open up the free registration page in a new window. Don't worry, you're not going to lose this video. You can also visit tradingworkshop.com to register for this free, intensive, awesome workshop. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education.